What's going on YouTube? Today we're gonna learn how to play Selfish by Justin Timberlake. This song just came out recently. It looks like he's gonna have a new album coming out in a couple of months. So that's gonna be pretty exciting to hear. Hopefully he has some collab joints on there with Timberland because they always make good music. But anyways, as far as this song goes, you're gonna need a capo on the 2nd fret, and there's gonna be 4 chords for the entire song. And as with all of my, or most of my tutorials, I should say, I'm gonna teach you how to play it with neo-soul chords. So for this song, it's all 7th chords, 2 majors, 2 minors. The chords that you're gonna need to know is A major 7, G sharp minor 7, E major 7, and F sharp minor 7. Just to give you a little preview of the chords, I'm just gonna play it straight on. Okay, so you hear those 4 chords throughout the entire song, and you can add a little flavor to it. I'll show you a little sample of that as we go along in the video, but here is how you play the chords. All right, y'all, here we are, up close and personal. So again, capo on the 2nd fret. Everything I teach here is relative to the capo. And so the first chord is A major 7. So we're gonna put our finger on the 1st fret of the G string and the 2nd fret of the D and the B string. It's gonna sound like this. All right, and then the 2nd chord is a G sharp minor 7. So we're gonna put our fingers on the 4th fret of the low E string, the D string, the G string, and the B string. It's gonna sound like this. And the 3rd chord is an E major 7, so we're gonna put our fingers on the 1st fret of the D and the G string and 2nd fret of the A string. It's gonna sound like this. And the 4th and final chord is an F sharp minor 7. So it's gonna be the same shape as the G sharp minor 7, but it's gonna be on the 2nd fret now. So 2nd fret, low E, D, G, and B string, and it'll sound like this. Okay, and it's that sequence throughout the entire song. So if you wanna think of it in 4 counts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And so when you put it together with the lyrics, he starts off the pre-chorus, just to give you a sample. He's like, so if I get jealous, I can't help it. I want every bit a part of you. I guess I'm selfish. Now I do want to point out, for me personally, when I play the G sharp minor 7 and the F sharp minor 7, instead of doing this, I know this, obviously it's easier when you put your the chord shape like this, but I personally like to bar the whole entire fret and then just utilize those strings. But it's really up to your preference. That's just me. Please don't hate. So in terms of which strings that I'm plucking, for the A major 7 and the E major 7, I am plucking the 4 middle strings. So the A, D, G, and B string. Okay, and then for the G sharp minor 7 and the F sharp minor 7, I am plucking the low E string, D, G, and B. Okay. Now, as I said earlier, you could add a little flavor to it, add a little bit of sauce, make it more neo-soul if you want to. So just to give you a sample of how that would sound like. Or you just plug it. individually. I mean, you know, just play around with it, whatever you feel like. But that is how you play the song. All right, guys. Well, I appreciate you guys tapping into this video. Hopefully it helped you out and added value to you. If it did, please go ahead and comment down below, like this video, share it with somebody, and please consider subscribing if you want more tutorials and videos like this. And I'll see you guys on the next video.